All right, I just wanted to post a couple more videos, give you some pointers, things to watch out for. So here we have a basic polynomial division problem. This might not work out nicely. I kind of made it up, but a couple things I want to point out to you. Again, we need to make sure that when we are doing polynomial division, our dividend is always in standard form. So your exponents need to be in descending order. Also, make sure you fill in zeros whenever you do not have a coefficient. So this problem would have originally looked like that, and so I had to make sure that I input the 0 x to the third power because it doesn't exist. It doesn't matter if you put plus or minus because 0 has no value. So let me just walk you through this. We'll see if it works, and then I'll give you a few things at the very end that I want to also emphasize. So to begin with, we're going to divide 4x to the fourth by 2x. 2 goes into 4 twice. X to the fourth divided by x is x cubed. And then we always multiply it to both terms. And then make sure you line them up correctly. So 2 times 2 is 4. X times x cubed is x to the fourth. By the way, these should always equal the same value. If not, you did something wrong. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And we have x to the third. And again, we needed this placeholder because it's got to fit in the same line. We're then going to change all the signs. So I always just put a minus, and then this is already a minus, so I'm going to change it to a plus. Add straight down. You can bring down the next term. In some cases later, it might be helpful for you just to go ahead and pull down everything. It's just a preference thing. 2x cubed divided by 2x is 1x squared. Multiply it back through. Multiply it. And then we change the signs again because it's subtraction. So we end up with negative 2x squared minus x. And then go ahead if you want, pull down the next value. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative x. Multiply back through, negative 2x squared, positive x. Change the signs, be careful here. We have a negative x and a negative x, that's a negative 2x, and then bring down the last term. And then one more division gives us negative 2. Multiply back through, nope, that's wrong, should give us negative 1. Multiply back through, get 2x plus 1, right? Let me check my work. Yep, 2x plus 1. And then change the signs, and we end up with a remainder of 6. Now, a couple things about a remainder. If you get a remainder, what that tells you is that 2x minus 1 is not a factor of the original polynomial. Okay, so that's going to be really important in the future. So our goal is to have a remainder of 0. In this case, it does not. Also, a thing you could have done to check, you can substitute, if this is the factor we're checking, you could substitute 1/2 in for all the x values and simplify it, and you should also get a remainder of 6. That's the remainder theorem. So a couple things just to watch out for.